let me have your attention, please. This is our isometric sketch practice, and I want to bring your attention up to the screen. So an isometric sketch is when we're going to show three sides of an object. And there's a really specific way that we're going to do it. It's not perspective sketching, because with perspective sketching, your lines, like here and here, they kind of converge later. With isometric sketching, they stay parallel. They stay parallel. So you don't do any you don't make things bigger or smaller based on distance like you would in an art class. This is more of an engineering drawing. So look at your paper and you'll see that the dots that are on this type of paper are drawn at a 30-degree angle from each other. So I'm going to just make a single cube in an isometric style, okay? And I'm going to use construction lines, and then I'm going to go over them with object lines, okay? So I like to start by thinking about the size. If I'm going to come down 3, that means all sides of my cube are going to be 3 dots long. So I'm going to come down 3 and draw the front edge. And then I'm going to make like a down arrow is the best way that I want to think about it. And I'm going to go, oh, I did 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to go up to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that make sense? Oh wait, I've done 4 dots but 3 spaces. So I need to take this last one off. I always have to double check and count, so don't feel bad about needing to do that. You can also tell just kind of by looking if things look wrong. Now I'm going to make this bottom shape 3 spaces, 3 dots. See how I kind of have like a down arrow? That's this shape on the square. That's that down of that top block. Now I'm going to do parallel lines and bring it up. I'm going to do parallel lines and bring it up. Now I'm going to close this side. I'm going to close this side. And now I'm going to draw the top on. I'm going to close the box at the top. You see it? Yeah, it should just look like a little cube. So that's in construction lines. So now I'm going to go over it very dark with object lines. And honestly, probably the fastest way to do this with your ruler is, instead of picking up your ruler every time, just slide it along your lines that are parallel. I've got 3 lines going in that direction. I have 3 lines at this angle. Do you see the difference between my construction lines and my object lines? If I had made a mistake, when I do make a mistake, which I will, if I make a mistake with a construction line, it's really easy to erase it and fix it. But once I go in really dark with my pencil, erasing an object line is going to leave a scar on your paper. All right, so this is an isometric cube. An isometric cube. Okay, you're going to stop there.